Hey, and a big welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm back here with another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you all how I trim my ends, and to start with, I already blow dried some parts of my hair except the top part, and I'm guessing as a Nigerian you can be able to tell why I wasn't able to blow dry it completely. So tell me in the comment section if you know, and let's go straight into this video. So to begin, I simply sectioning my hair to make it easier for me to focus on a particular section. And as you can see, I'm starting with this twist. I unraveled it, and as you can see, it's quite stretched, and this is exactly how split ends looks like. The ends of your hair is way less voluminous than the other part of your hair. It looks way scanty. Another way to identify split ends is when you comb your hair and the comb is always getting stuck at the tip of your hair. That is split ends. You can also identify split ends by the feeling when you have your hands through your hair and the tip of your hair always feels rough. One way to trim your hair is by trimming in twist. In that way you can easily get the thin part where the split ends are, and you simply cut that thin part out. However, I would be using a different method to trim my hair. All I'm going to do is unravel my twist, and as I said, my hair is stretched, so in that way I can easily spot out those split ends or those dead ends. And as you can see, my hair is obviously due for a really good trim, and yep. So all I did was unravel the twist, comb it, and cut the thin layer as you can see in this video. And I figured I ended up cutting over an inch, which was definitely worth it because my hair was way better and I could easily detangle, as you can see, without my comb getting stuck at the tip of my hair. And I just simply put it back in the twist and sectioned it off, and repeated the same process for every piece of hair. Here are two things to note when trimming your hair. 1. Trim your hair when it is dry. 2. Trim your hair with a sharp pair of scissors. This is so you can get a clean cut, not a rough cut, and it reduces the chances of you to get split ends fast. I ended up trimming the other parts in twists because they weren't stretched enough for me to trim it the way I trimmed the other parts. So here's the amount of hair I trimmed off. I think, or I know, they've done their work, and of course they have to go. Yeah, they have to go. By the way, am I the only weirdo who finds it very exciting to trim my hair? Tell me in the comment section. I was so curious. I wanted to know how my hair would look like after getting a good trim, and I went ahead to unravel my twist and do whatever it is I was doing. Trust me, I had no idea what I was doing. So this is how my hair came looking like. I really loved it, and I've got to tell you, if you know you have those split ends, get them out. Like, go get a trim. You really need it. Like, it made a big difference in my hair care regimen, and trust me, you need to get that trim if you have those split ends. You don't want them. So that's all for today's video. A big thank you for watching until this way, and do me a really big favor by liking this video and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.